guys, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. I have a side quest here, guys. My abandoned project. I'm doing bodywork. I am scared of that thing. I need more experience, so I'm on a side quest here. Guys, this thing is ripe for the junkyard. It's so rusty and dented, it's done. But it has an epic engine inside that I'm going to use in another Caddy. And that Caddy is not here yet. Don't mind the red one over there, that's a secret mission. Look here. Alright. You guessed it. The old 1.9 TDI ALH, guys. This one will be epic. So let's go. Might be what you get, huh? Freaking rain again. I'm having deja vus, bros. So, alright, the engine cleaned up, amazing. I did scrub it a little bit, you know, because that wasn't only pressure washing, guys, but it looks really good. I like to work on a clean engine, that's why I cleaned it. So, I'm demoing this here Caddy from the back. Wet? Yes. Started in the back so I can dump everything I don't need in the back. So I am limited on space, so that's why I'm doing that. Interior is next. The back is already taken apart. You don't see it now because I don't want to go in the rain, but yeah. So next thing is the interior, then the engine. Then I'm going to pick up the white Caddy. You've seen it in the beginning of the video. And then I'm gonna put this engine in it. So, hell yeah, guys. Let's go. bros, the oil engine is out. The ALH, super happy about that. This Caddy is done. It's going straight to the scrapyard. It's going to the wreckers. It's going to be smashed. I only have to take the window out and some last couple of clips and things, so just check it over to make sure I don't leave anything behind. Super happy about that. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I've been thinking the solution to not abandoning your project and not finishing them is just starting another one. Alright guys, let's go. Bros, it's here. Look at this Caddy. I think it looks cool. It has some cool vibes going on. The bumper's gonna go. I'm gonna paint it black with the other bumper from the silver one. As you see, it's lowered, but the front is a little bit higher. I have a set of coilovers for it. Yeah, guys, I think it's worth saving. For sure, I will be surprised with some rust, because that's my life, you know. But I want to do a quick build, not go all out, not paint it, just get another fender, because that one is dented, and I want to just make it cool, you know, like cool vibes going on. Yeah, the back is somebody carpeted the back, and this thing, guys, it's been sitting for about 1.5 years, and the guy just left all his crap in there. It smells so bad. You're so lucky you can't smell it, because I might die, you know. If this video gets posted, I lived, and otherwise I'm dead, guys. So yeah, let's just jump into it. Let's go. What is this? I never expected this much rust, guys, but that stupid carpet in the back, and then, you know, where it was parked for a long time, I couldn't really see it, and I pointed my phone in there looking, and like, oh, it's not that bad, just, you know, the body is pretty nice. It's all the rust repairs are, you know, areas I can blend in with paint and not do too much, but man, how cooked am I with this Caddy, guys? Oh my god. I have this sweet engine, but this car is not worth the engine. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, guys. This SideQuest is turning into a major project. So I'm gonna let Faith decide. Have a coin. Heads is I'm fixing it. Tails, it's done.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe!